everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I know what you're thinking, 3 videos in 1 week, Layla, are you actually a YouTuber? What? The answer is no, I'm still not that good. However, I have just come home from work and my OwlCrate is here, and it is very rare that my OwlCrate arrives in the month that it's due to arrive. So I can actually unbox March's box in March, which is crazy. It never happens. Well, very rarely happens. So I'm very excited to be able to unbox it in the month it's supposed to be. So let's dive straight in and see what March's OwlCrate has for us. The spoiler card got a little bit bent in the box, sadly, but the theme for March was murder and mayhem. The first item is right up my alley. It is a tote bag that has skulls and daggers and poison on it, and it's really cool because it's got a little zippy inner pocket, which you don't often find with tote bags. This will actually be perfect for me to take around festivals, so I am very pleased to have this. This beautiful travel mug that says, "Never flinch, never fear, never forget." This is gorgeous, and it's got a little rubber cup holder with it, which is awesome, so you don't burn yourself. This is super cool. I think this is the first time they've ever included something like this in there. We've had mugs before, but I don't think we've ever had like a travel mug, and this is like heavy duty travel mug, so this is very, very cool. It's got the OwlCrate logo on the bottom of it, so this is very awesome. A candle with malachite on it. This is inspired by V.E. Schwab's This Savage Song. This beautiful bookmark, which got, again, a little bit bent in the box, but it's absolutely stunning, by Ink and Wonder Designs. A pencil with 4 dead queens, followed by 1 conspiracy on the other side. My camera doesn't want to focus on that, but a pencil. The monthly enamel pin. This is really cool. The arrow actually moves. I can make it, there we go. The arrow actually moves on the pin, which is really cool. And now onto the most important part of any OwlCrate, is the book itself. And this month we have 4 Dead Queens by Astrid Scholt. I was really looking forward to this book. I have seen it all over the place. I really, really wanted to read it. It definitely sounds like something I would enjoy. So I'm very excited to get an OwlCrate exclusive. The cover is stunning. It's not picking up on camera, probably because it's in the plastic, but it's kind of got this foiled red cover, and it's all just stunning and gorgeous, and oh look, oh so beautiful. I am very excited, and I love that it's got textured pages. I'm a sucker for textured pages, so I am very, very excited to get my hands on this. I've heard nothing but good things about it, so I'm very excited for it. As with every OwlCrate, there is the newsletter, which features interviews with the author. It shows the difference in the covers. I do prefer the red cover to the blue cover, so I'm very, very excited that I've got that one. We also have a sneak peek for April's theme, so if you don't want to know what that is, look away now. The theme for April is the dark side, which I really, really like. And every April box will include an exclusive scarf designed by Bookmarked Tattoos, which is amazing. I love scarves. Anything to do with like hats, scarves, gloves, I'm in love with. So I'm very excited to be getting another scarf through them. Also, I like the theme, the dark side. I mean, this was murder and mayhem, and now this is the dark side. It's getting pretty dark up in OwlCrate offices, I don't know, but I'm very excited about this. I do love me some kind of darker themes, so I'm very excited to see what book they choose for April. I won't be able to read any of these books until May, because I will be taking part in the Owls Readathon. I will put the link to my TBR for that down below, as well as at the end of this video, so you can see that, all the magicalness. So yeah, I won't be able to get through to these books until May at the earliest, but I am very excited about them, and it will be very exciting to see what April's book is. And that's it for March's OwlCrate unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Say hi in the comment section. If you really want to, please hit that subscribe button, but make sure that you also hit notifications, otherwise you won't know when I've uploaded. Whatever you're doing for the rest of today, I hope you have a magical one ahead of you, and I hope to see you again very, very soon. Bye!